Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple effect. Maybe you can learn something new in this video. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So as you can see where I'm intersecting this sphere, this Fresnel green sphere with the scene, there's some particles and a glowy edge, and it's very simple, but it is not for the games maybe because it has lots of particles. It can be very heavy, but yeah, there's something you can learn from it. Okay, so let's start this. So I'll delete this, and yeah, I can also like this is my effect. I can duplicate it and place it like here also. Cool. So I can do that. I'll delete that. So I'll put the file in Patreon so you can download, and let's create a new folder, test, and then I'll take a material, and this will be Fresnel. So this will be just a simple Fresnel, okay, and it will look like this.